Hey everyone, I'm here from MSB Digital. If you have been following my channel, you know I only recommend tools that I truly believe in. And today I'm super excited to share Abun's lifetime deal with you. This tool has been a game changer for my content creation process, and I know it can do same for you. In this video I will show you why Abun is worth every penny and how you can get it an unbeatable price. So without any further delay, let's get started. At first I wanna tell you what is Abun. Actually, Abun is a tool that helps you create articles designed to rank well on Google. These articles are optimized for search engines, which means they can attract more visitors to your website naturally without needing to pay for ads. It's like having a helper that writes content to bring more people to your site. To be honest, I'm very much satisfied after using it. There are lots of feature opportunities and plan available. So you can also check from the description. I believe that you won't be disappointed. Now let's see, is it worth grabbing or not? We can see Abun on AppSmo site. I'll give you the link in the description so you can come here easily. There are lots of things available about Abun. You can see pricing plan, feature, TLDR, at a glance best for, overview, features. You can check the features from here. And the interface screenshots of Abun. Look at. Different types of screenshot you can see. And here you can see the different types of pricing plan. In this tool you will get lots of feature as like AI powered writing assistant, SEO optimization feature, multiple writing styles, built-in plagiarism checker, AI image generator, content templates, team collaboration, multilingual support, and most important thing, affordable one-time deal. Therefore, shortly I can say this AI tool helps you create content fast and easily. It writes blogs, emails, and product description in seconds. It also helps with SEO, so your content ranks higher on Google. You can choose different writing styles, check for plagiarism, and even create an AI generated images. Abun has ready-made templates for blogs, ads, and emails that save your time undoubtedly. You can also work with your team and create content in multiple languages. I hope you understand the features of Abun. If you want to get more details, you can read from here. Got it? Okay, now check the pricing plan. Look at, this is the basic plan, which is only $69. That means 92% off. Can you imagine that? Before price was $882. Oh my god. Even if you want, you can buy higher plan. Let's check the other plans. Or you can directly click here. Plan on feature tab. Here you can see license tier 1, which is called basic plan. Then you can see license tier 2, whose price is $179. Lastly, you get higher plan, license tier 3, whose price is $409. Only differences of all of these licenses is limit. That means you can generate 30 articles under the basic plan. Under medium plan, or you can say it license tier 2, you can generate 125 articles per month. And by license tier 3, you can generate 600 articles per month. Even you can get also opportunities, unlimited website, all types of article, auto internal and external linking, auto features to image tables and list content, unlimited basic and pro images, images, tables and list content, AI keyword research, factual and research data, manual competitors and long tail keywords, Google Search Console keywords, WordPress Webflow, Wix and Shopify integration, Google Search Console, article scheduling, unlimited creative title generation, unlimited sharp research title generation, and lots of things. And the most interesting thing is you will get 60-day money back guarantee. Also, you can check deal terms and conditions from here. Okay, at this moment I will give you a quick overview how it works. Look at. Now we are in the Abun dashboard. After logged in, you will also get this type of interface. Here you can see lots of menu available, such as article, auto blog, internal link, free backlinks, integration, subscription, affiliate program, help center, update, other products. If you would like to write a blog automatically, then you can choose this option, auto blog. If you want to add internal link, that period you can use this option, internal link. If you need free backlink, you can use this option. If you want to integrate your website in this Abun tool, then you can integration from here. It can be Wix website, it can be WordPress website, it can be Shopify website, it doesn't matter. Here you can see subscription plan. After that you will get affiliate program option. Basically this option for affiliate marketer. Afterwards you will get help center. If you need any help, you can get any type of help from here. Then you will get update features, and lastly you will get other products. Under the article menus you will get sub menu. Click the arrow icon. Then you will get create article, generate article, keyword project, AI keyword to article, style competitor keywords, and lots of things. However, when you select create article tab, then you will get this interface. Here you can put your targeted keyword. Suppose my targeted keyword is weight loss. Look at, after giving my keyword, they are suggesting me some titles. You can get an idea about your keyword. Even you can pick anyone as an article title. If you need sharpest idea, then click here. Look, it's generating. Amazing, right? Okay, I'm back to the creatives idea tab. Suppose I like this one. Just click. After clicking, it has comes here. That means in the article title box. Then you can choose what language you need. Suppose I need English US. After that, if you want to give instruction for better output, you can write on the box. Suppose I'm giving some instruction from my point of view. I would like to lose my weight under 30 days. If you want, you can give more instructions and indicate what you need actually. After that, finally click on generate article like this. Look, they are creating. Yes, finally we got it, our targeted article. If you want, you can modify anything, or if you want, you can directly use, no need to modify anything. But I will prefer you, if you want to get better experience, you can improve a little bit. After checking the full article, if you think it's perfectly okay, that time no need to change anything. From the right side, you can add any feature image, you can add internal link, you can add external link, you can modify the meta description, or you can customize anything as you want. Finally, if it is okay, then hit on the publish button. That's it. Do you understand everything? I hope that you have got all the points nicely and clearly. Even then, I recommend you come here and play around with these defined options. That time you will get a practical knowledge. Now if you are interested to grab the Abun lifetime deal, then check my video description quickly, because you know time limited. Anyway, thank you so much for staying with me. If you really love the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Also, you can give your valuable opinion. Alright, bye for now. See you in the next video.